Hi, I'm Erica, and welcome to SEMCO, your go-to solution for creating modern, seamless surfaces. We are your resource for microcement, resurfacing systems, waterproofing, and many other surface engineering solutions. We offer homeowners, contractors, DIYers, and architects customized systems to create beautiful and lasting finishes for walls, floors, pools, roofs, and other interior, exterior, horizontal, vertical, or inverted surfaces. Be sure to explore our online shop for our concrete and tile resurfacing kits to help you revamp that old tile wall or floor. Each kit comes in various sizes per square foot coverage area, along with our installation guides. Our revolutionary liquid membrane waterproofing products are second to none in the industry, and you can order in a wide range of colors and coverage area sizes. While we have a network of certified contractor installers who can do the installation for you, we also encourage DIYers to try our products for yourself with the help of our interactive guides. We also can help train your favorite local contractor to learn about SEMCO and how to apply our products. Remember, some of the installations like Microcement can require a higher level of experience, so sometimes it's best to leave it to the pros. Whether you want to resurface a large area with Microcement, use SEMCO on a new construction project, or just solve a nagging problem, our technical support team is here to help you through the process. Be sure to check out our blogs, guides, and videos, and visit our shop to order online and send us a message with any questions. We're here and happy to help.